Hello everyone. In this session, we're going to talk about two different types of mindset. Fixed mindset and growth mindset. Understanding these can change the way your child speaks English. A fixed mindset is when a child believes that their abilities are set in stone and cannot be changed. They might think, I'm just not good at English. Why? A growth mindset is when they believe they can improve with effort and practice. Such children might say, I can get better at English if I keep trying. For instance, if children with a fixed mindset struggle with pronunciation, they might give up. But children with a growth mindset will keep practicing until they get it right. So, let's work together to encourage our children to embrace a growth mindset. With the right attitude, they can achieve great things. So, stay tuned for more tips on polished English. See you in the next lesson.